Hello everyone, my name is Patel Kevin. I am a student of Parol University. My project is College Automation Canteen, presented by me and Nishit Patel. In this project, content is how it works, advantage, innovation, objective, key features. The main objective of this project is to order food from canteen to classroom using web-based application. Student account creation, creating, monitoring food quality, student payment detail are the main module. The system requires very few time factor as compared to manual system. The system requires less number of staff. Problem statement. The experiencing of ordering in most fast food canteen is not pleasant for customers. Customers have to make a long queue before placing the order, and when the order is placed, they have to wait near the counter until the order is prepared. The major issue are communication between two parties for placing an order, and the information about bill should also result in error. Means error also occur in understanding what the person want to say, especially in busy hour in canteen when the place is very crowded and noisy. The problem is even more if the cashier and customers does not speak the native language. Uniqueness. Our project is uniqueness and novelty of purpose innovation because it has some unique features like student account creation, monitoring of food quality, student payment detail, and etc. Student can pay the amount of food from their top of it. Student did not have to carry the money in cash every time. Student can give the order in advance from anywhere from campus. The owner maintain their account of the order. How it works? The student first of all recharge in the prepaid and postpaid account, then select the item from the menu, and then they have give to the, when then they have give fingerprint scanner and face recognition for the verification, and then the order give to the canteen.
Key features: customizable menu, quality and well rated, food planning, search, cashless transaction. Advantages: eliminates human error in accounting and item orders, increase efficiency by reducing time and cost of planning, significantly increases user satisfaction by authenticated data, makes the process speedy and secure through cashless transactions, monitoring and analyzes food uses to prevent wastage, allow admin to focus on more productive tasks, allow customization and updating of menu, tools and technology, front end HTML, CSS and JavaScript, back end PHP and Spring Boot, other uh, tools like APIs and Bootstrap area. This project is fully on web development, both front end and back end included. We have still not confirmed the technology which we are going to use, for example, PHP or Spring Boot. Done. Thank you.